Today I'm going to introduce myself one more time. Sarajit Sandhu from sarajitsandhunetwork.com, and 3 steps to finding prospect. So number one is be kind. When you are talking and when you are looking for your prospects, be always kind and be nice, and be a nice human being. By being a nice human being, if somebody is not interested in your business, or somebody is not interested in your product, or somebody is not interested in what you are selling, you still get to be a nice human being. You still have to be a caring person. Look for building the relationships, not looking for the money. So when you are caring, when you are loving, then you are building relationships. So focus on building the relationships. It does not matter somebody is interested in your opportunity or not. Your job is only to spread awareness about the product, opportunity, or business, whatever you are doing or selling. Your job is just to spread the awareness, and it is up to the people. If they are interested, it suits them well, they have the enough information, then they can join you. It's up to them. Yes or no is their decision. It's not your decision. Your job is only to educate people. Your job is only to make people aware. Your job is only to make people show the way to the freedom. That is your job. Your job is not to get the results. Obviously, when you are in business, you like positive results, but you are not focusing on those results. You are focusing on the educating people. So it is up to the people. If they like it, it suits them, they can say yes or no. So be a nice human being. Everybody over here is struggling, fighting their own battle. Everybody has their own struggles, own challenges. So always be kind and always be nice and always be a good human being, even if somebody is not interested in your product or opportunity. Number 2 is your stories. Share your stories. Every day we make stories. Every day things happen and we have stories, either small stories or big stories, new stories or old stories. We have stories. So go ahead and share your story. Stories are very important because they inspire other people. With the stories, other people can resonate with the story. So my story is, I am going to share my story. This is the month of May last year, 2017. Same time, my family, my daughter and my husband, they took me to the nice restaurant in Manhattan in New York City for Mother's Day, and we had all nice time. I had nice meal, we had nice time and everything, but still in the back of my mind I was a little bit worried, and it was not showing on my face. I was happy, my family was happy, my husband, my daughter, we were all having good time, eating good food, but I was, in the back of my head, I was a little bit worried. You know why? Because at that time I was struggling to make my own team for my business, and I did not have no team at that time because I was acquiring all my skills. I was growing my audience, and I barely had good selling skills. I was improving on that at that time, and I did not have team making skills at all. I was struggling at that time to make a team, and right now this is 2018 May, and I learned how to make a team, and I learned how to get sign-ups, and I had my breakthrough in August. So in 2017 May I had no team, but now I have team. I have learned how to make a team, and right now I had my breakthrough in the August, and right now I have all the skills. So that is the difference in 1 year, and that is my story. Last May I was wondering, oh my god, how people in the world make a team. That was just a secret for me. And how can people make a team? That was a very topic that was giving me a hard time. But now I exactly know how to make a team and how to keep a team. And now this year my job is to hone my skills on how to keep a team. So stories are very important. Share your stories, listen to the stories and talk about your stories. Number 3 is DMO is daily method of operation. So we make lists to accomplish our things. Lists are your DMO. Improve on your list. Your DMO is, if you are in a network marketing business, you are supposed to have a team. So to have a team, you have to talk to people. Obviously you are going to be building relationship and talking to people. So make your goal how many people a day you are going to talk, and make a list, make a clear, write down how much money you want to make, and how many people you want to have in your team, and then work from that list. And decide how many day people you are going to talk to. If you want to talk to 1 people a day, or if you want to talk to 2 people a day, or you want to talk to 5 people a day, or 10 people, or more than that. This is your decision. This is your own decision, and you have to make a list and improve your list and work according to your list, and that is your DMO. Your own list is your DMO. You do not have to look to somebody else who is doing better than you, or who is you can get inspired, you can get learn from their success, but your DMO is your own DMO. So those are my 3 tips, how to find 3 steps how to find prospect. Number 1 is be kind human being, be genuine, be authentic. And number 2 is your stories, share your stories. And number 3 is your DMO, work on your DMO. So those are my 3 tips, guys. And let me say and give shout outs to people. Hey Maxwell, thank you for joining.